Hello dear students, this is Taneesha Singh, your legal advisor. So today I am going to guide you for all those students who have just got their study visa and traveling for the study visa purpose. So basically these are the one of the crucial tips which every international students must listen, and these are going to definitely help them out regarding their international travel abroad. So dear students, if you have attained your visa and is still worrying and just surfing all the way around how to make the proper documentation, what to carry, what not to carry, what would be the questions arising in the immigration, so there must be so many queries and questions in your mind setup. But just here, need not to worry. I'm going to put on all the crucial tips for regarding the documentation which you must carry with yourself in the caption below. So the three most crucial tips which I'm going to just aid you is the first foremost thing: you must carry your all scan documentation. Yes, you heard it right. Need not to carry any kind of photo state or any duplicate documents. Just carry the proper scan documentation and your original documentation. And the second tip, the next very tip is you must have the proper attained scanned documentation. Apart from the visa processing application, the documentation which was being attested, it should be the apostille documents. Yes, all those documents which were being used during your visa application process which were attested, so you must carry those documents as well, the apostille attested documentation. And the last one but not the least, you should have a proper itinerary attached with your visa application file which you are going to travel along with yourself. So I hope these tips will definitely going to make you a bit helpful for regarding your travel documentation carrying along with yourself. See you soon. Thank you.